Hello students, welcome to the channel. Students, today I shall be giving the answer of chapter number 3.3 Stone Soup from 6th standard English Bal Bharti. Your first question is, where does the story take place? Answer is, story take place in a village. B. List the characters in the play and write one or two lines about each. Answer. Motiram, he is a farmer. He had a good produce of crops. He does not want to advertise because he is afraid he would have guests at home and he would have to share with them. Next is Sonabai. She too had a good produce. She too, like Motiram, did not want to advertise because she does not like to have guests. Next, Hirabai, she too feels that guests are pests. She hates to give food and money to others. Rupabai, she thinks a little differently. She feels it is not right to refuse someone who comes for help. Next is Traveler. He is a traveler who has traveled a long distance and is tired and hungry. He hears the conversation of the villagers and comes to know that they are miserly. In the end, he makes everyone contribute a little towards making a soup. See, how do the following avoid giving anything to the traveler? Answer. Motiram. He tells the traveler that dinner was over and nothing was left. He tells the traveler to try elsewhere. Sonabai. She pretended to be hard of hearing, which eventually made the traveler try elsewhere. Hirabai. She pretended not to understand the traveler's language and spoke gibberish nonsense, which made the traveler try elsewhere. D. Rupabai, she told the traveler that she too was very hungry because she had not made anything as her larder was empty. D. Find what Hirabai tells the traveler by reading her words from right to left. Answer. Go away. No food and no rest for anyone here. Apart from the stone, how many things go into the soup? Answer. Apart from the stone, water, potatoes, carrots, tomatoes, beans, onion, ginger, salt and pepper go into making the soup. Next, does the traveler really have a magic stone? Answer. No. The traveler does not have a magic stone, but he uses the stone to make the miserly villagers believe that the stone was magical. Now see the question number 2. On any one page, note against the speech of every character what feeling it should show to bring out the meaning best. Rupa by surprise, wonder. Traveler, regret. Rupa by cunning. Traveler, joy, expectation. Rupa by unsure. Sona by friendliness. Hira by apologetic. Next question. Third, read aloud or enact the play. Question number 4. Write a recipe for the stone soup. Answer. Ingredients: stone, water, potatoes, carrots, tomatoes, beans, onions, ginger, salt and pepper. And method is, in a pot of water add 2 to 3 potatoes, carrot, tomatoes, beans, onion, ginger, salt and pepper. Boil well. Delicious soup is ready. Question 5. Form pairs. Write at least one short dialogue for each of the following expression. I agree. True. You are right. Why not? Thank you. Next to question number 6. Find the meaning of charity begins at home. Find other saying which have a similar meaning. Question number 7. List 5 questions from the play which can be answered with yes or no.